This is really a funny angle, but welcome to the vlog. Today is Thanksgiving Day, so happy Thanksgiving to everyone. I actually just left my storage unit from grabbing my pots and pans and just like some extra powder stitches and stuff so that I could go in and start cooking. It is now basically 10 o'clock. It's 9:58, but I am so behind. I had to run out to the store this morning because yesterday I didn't feel like going. I didn't want to go. I was just in a bad mood, not really because of anything in particular, but just because I just got tired of having to talk to my children, and I made them get in the bath at like 7 o'clock last night and be in the bed by 8. Like, it was just too much. I couldn't deal. So it's a new day. I'm feeling much better. I got everything done. The only thing I couldn't find at the store was some injectables, and this was going to be my first year using those, but oh well. I ended up just getting some garlic and herb butter to just use for one of my turkeys. So I'm cooking 3 of them. I was going to cook one on the grill, but I just found out today, I was today years old, okay, when I found out that even charcoal for the grill has the P65 California warning about the chemicals that could potentially cause cancer. So I didn't even want to grill anymore. And I don't know a lot about grills. I don't know nothing about grills, really. So I don't know if the grill has, if you got like an electric grill, do you still need coal or not? I would assume not, but I'm not sure. What I have is the grill that's just supposed to be outside. It's not electric, it takes coal. So I was turned off when I saw that warning on there and did not want to buy it. Grilling the turkey is now off limits for me if I'm using coal. I wish I had a deep fryer, because I would love to fry one. Like, I feel like that would be an amazing dish, but I'm gonna use the 3 turkeys because they're all thawed out. One of them been out they've been out for a week, and well, 2 of them been out for a week, and one of them I just got like 2 days ago. But nonetheless, so we are gonna just go back in, and I don't know how much vlogging I'm gonna do today, but I'll catch y'all later. Okay, so this turkey, I'm back in, and this turkey that I just got on, what was that, Wednesday? Oh no, Tuesday. This is 14.64 pounds. Then I got this one last week, Thursday. It was frozen solid ice. I'm thinking it's ready. I'm hoping it's ready. It feels soft. I don't think no ice in there. This one's 13.48. And then this is a little small, 11.55. So 11.5 pounds on this one. All right, so washed, dried, lotioned up. And now I'm just going to add my poultry seasoning. Go ahead and do the rest of my seasoning. I'm starting to wonder how I'm going to pull off making all these turkeys for real, because I'm behind schedule. I've been up since 5, but I kind of laid around. Bird stuff. I'm ready to go in.
Mommy, I can find his weak spot. Let me hear it.
Yeah.
Yeah, I can't find a weak spot.
I got some onions and steaming up. Some onions and garlic in this pot. And then put some chicken stock in here.
Okay, look. Okay, you count. Look, listen. You counting how high?
Wait, I didn't put this like that.
Now you want to fix it up.
I'm gonna add my greens. Well, I'm gonna take the smoked turkey neck out. I'm gonna chop it off the bones, and then I'm gonna add my greens. So my greens are going. They got about maybe 3.5 hours left on the stove. Yep, 3.5 hours exactly. I just checked my my alarm that I set on my phone. So yep, this is what they looking like. So I'm gonna add just a drop more of crushed red pepper.
This will make it good. That's so good. You're getting the big leg. I want to slice him off.
This is how the turkey came out. So it is the next day. Black Friday is here. And I am just leaving out. It is 6:15. And I'm just leaving out because earlier I spent the day cleaning up. I got all of my laundry done, and I washed bath towels and my bed sheets and my comforter. By the time I finished all of that and got the kids dressed and ate and all of that stuff, it was this late. So whatever. But yep, it's the next day. We had a good Thanksgiving. It was a lot to do, but it was worth it, and we had a really good day. So now I have a shift that started at 6 o'clock. Well, look at me leaving out at 6. But the good thing is I get 30 minutes to sign in before the shift will end. So I'm still okay, but now it's more like 15 minutes. So I need to hurry up. I'm getting some gas so we can get out of here. But yes, I'm about to just do a shift. I do 6 to 10 tonight. And then I'm going to just come back in, get us all a bath, and go to bed. But hopefully this is a good night. Hopefully when I'm out here, I'll be able to, you know, just really make some decent money. Because my time is coming to an end with DoorDash. After I take care of a few more things, I definitely will be done with DoorDash 100%. And I will be fully focused on my my own brand and boutique, as well as my other entrepreneur endeavors that I'll be working on. So DoorDash is coming to an end for me. So I'm hoping my last couple of weeks will be like some good money so I could get some things squared away and get ready to take on my new path as somebody who just fully works for myself. Well, I guess I can never say I fully work for myself because I use platforms still, but it's just a different vibe. Like I'm really just doing my own thing from this point. And they gave me a full tank finally. Like I only put $40 in here. Gas is only $2.99 over here. So this is good. Good morning, y'all. It is the next day. I'm tired as crap. I was supposed to get up this morning, say my prayer, brainstorm a few things, read a little bit, but as soon as I wake up, everybody suddenly decides it's time for them to wake up as well. So I am eating some chocolate chip waffles, which are pretty much done. The phone cut off right when I was trying to do like a cute little try my hand at a montage. It cut off. I said, you know what, I ain't doing that. And I made room on my phone, and now I'm just recording regularly. So I got some barbecue wings. This is my attempt at chicken and waffles. Typically I would fry my chicken. I didn't have any flour. The plan was to fry some chicken on Thanksgiving. But I didn't have any flour, so I just baked them and used a broiler to kind of get some crisp. But this oven, I already told y'all about that. I don't even want to go there right now. I had to stop the peel of orange for the kids. So last night I went out to work just for a couple of hours. I was supposed to work from 6 to 10. I ended up getting off at like 9:30 because it was so slow. Which I wasn't surprised. It was the day after Thanksgiving. Not many people are ordering. Go ahead, bud. Go eat your orange over there. Not many people are ordering food, but some people still do. not everybody care to eat leftovers. So I did get a few orders, but definitely not a lot. And I didn't feel like sitting out there for 30 minutes. So I just came on in. So when I got in, I think I just looked at TikTok for a while until I ended up falling asleep. And speaking of TikTok, make sure y'all are following me over there. I've been taking and talking a little bit. You can find me at the same name. I'm Allison Alanna. And I don't post the same stuff. So whatever I post on YouTube is different. So if you want to see, you know, more or other things, you can always catch me over on TikTok at I'm Allison Alanna. My oldest is still asleep. And when I am done eating, I'm gonna wake him up. I kind of let my chicken get cold eating my waffles. I should have heated it back up. I think I will. Pause for a quick microwave break. Whew, I don't know if y'all can see the steam. I may have just overdid it. But nonetheless, so once I'm done eating, I'm gonna wake my oldest son up so we can get dressed. And then we're gonna get out of here. Today is Saturday, so that's typically like my Sabbath. So I don't, well, that is Sabbath for me, and I don't work during the day. I work usually in the evening once the sun sets. So I don't know. I think I'm gonna just go out, go to the park, take a walk, something just to be out, you know. And then I can always record that and edit and post later. And then later on, you know, we do dashing, we do this, we do that. I wonder comment down below if you've been out and seen the and took part in the sales for Black Friday and stuff like that. I did not go to not one store. Black Friday sales to me are not impressive. So I always want to be what I don't see. I wanted to do a Black Friday sale on my website. It won't include the few fall items that I added on there though. But I was gonna do a Black Friday sale. And it's like with the cooking and the running around to the store and the this and the that and the chaos with my typical day-to-day. Excuse me, it was just like, oh my goodness. Black Friday came and I didn't do not one video about the sale, no type of promo, no nothing. All right, guys, that's gonna do it for this video. I know I didn't get a chance to do a lot of vlogging yesterday, but as I said, I was really only out for like 3 hours, 2.5 hours. And I didn't do a lot of recordings. I didn't do a lot of working. Okay, so I will see y'all in the next video. And thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe if you're not already subscribed, and hit my join button to join the memberships and become a member of this channel where you get full exclusive footage only for you and the other people who are members. So make sure you do that. And I'll see y'all in the next video.